What is the difference between good debt and bad debt when it comes to real estate investing? Well, I think it's really quite simple when it comes to real estate investing, but I want to talk about debt as a whole. They've got good debt and bad debt, okay? Good debt is for something that is an asset that's going to increase in value. Bad debt is consumer debt. Anything you're buying for a consumer, you're buying a TV with debt, you're buying a couch with debt, you're buying whatever it is with debt. Anything that's a consumer purchase that you're buying with debt is typically what I would consider as bad debt. As a general overall rule. Now, good debt is if we're investing in an asset. But I want to break that up. We've got short-term and we've got long-term investments, right? So depending upon if you're doing a fix and flip and those types of things, that'd be a short-term versus doing something that's a long-term hold. So anytime we're dealing with something that has to do with an asset, i.e. real estate, we're dealing with good debt. The question with this is how much leverage do we have on it? So we want to make sure that we're not over leveraged, which is typically you're going to want to make sure you've got some equity in the property and an equity in that long time so you can build. But what I don't want to be doing is borrowing debt to buy the couch, the TV, and those types of things. I want to be using it to buy the property or buy an asset that's going to, over the long run, increase in value and over the long run, increase in rents. The other thing that's important when we talk about good debt and bad debt is the amount. So one of the things I subscribe to is I don't ever want to be over the FHA limit. So I want to make sure anytime I have debt, I want to make sure the debt of the property is less than the FHA limit for that area that I'm actually in. Because my resale price, if I want to get the majority of the buyers, which FHA is the easiest loan to get, backed by HUD, I want to make sure that I'm selling in that. So I can just go find an area, and let's just say some counties in Texas. Okay, we'll just give some counties here. Large counties in Texas. Okay, Harris County. Okay, Harris County. So then I'm going to come here. I'm going to say, what is the FHA loan limit SFR single family residence in Harris County, Texas? Okay, so in the Lone Star State, Harris County, 524,000. So anything, if I've got debt on the property that's more than, say, 500,000, it's probably bad debt. Because I'm going to have higher risk selling something in these bigger packages than I would if it's under. So my rule of thumb would be to keep under that FHA limit as your debt, because that's going to be the ceiling for your FHA purchases if you had to resell the property.